I'm Carolina Karthik. I'll be doing the meeting minutes for our retrospective meeting and review meeting. Our product owner is Dr. Christina Palacios, and our mentor is Dr. Masood Sajadi. So here I have the review meeting minutes from our Sprint 2, where we met with the product owner, Christina, and she basically discussed with us what are stories that we could say were finished and stories that she believed that we could work on a little bit more because she found new requirements for us. So here are the stories that we were finished with this sprint, and here are the stories that we believe that we could work on more, either because we ran into too many errors for us to finish in time, or she gave us new requirements to improve on, such as how the score is calculated. She wants to stylize the table a bit more. And here we have our sprint retrospective meeting minutes, where we discuss what went wrong and what went right in the sprint. So what went wrong was that we weren't able to correctly calculate how much time each of the stories would take, which led to our team's velocity not being an exactly correct estimation. So what went right is that the product owner was actually very pleased with the improvements that we made in this sprint, because the last sprint was actually us making bug fixes that were left over from the previous team that worked on this. Perhaps they didn't have enough time to work on it. So this sprint, we were actually able to add new features and new improvements to the app. We were also able to meet up more often in person, which was great because if a person was stuck on a story, they could just talk to the person next to them, which was another team member. So some of the issues that we wanted to address were just showing up to meetings more on time, and then also improving the UI on the product, which we'll continue doing as we develop more stories. So that concludes the end of our video. If you'd like to contact us about any questions, here is our contact information.